Chiara, Movimento Turismo del Vino Friuli Venezia Giulia, and I'm here today with a young lady of one of our wineries. We have 120 wineries all over the region, Friuli Venezia Giulia, who make a wonderful wine and promote also the enoturism. So invite the tourists to come to visit the wineries and to taste the products. And so I'm here now with the daughter of Dario Ermacora, and I would like if you present yourself and you tell us something about your winery.
My name is Monica Ermacora. As Chiara said, I'm the daughter of Dario, one of the co-owners of the Ermacora firm, together with his brother Luciano. Our winery is a family winery located on the hills of Iplis, a small town in the heart of Colli Orientali del Friuli. And I'm here to help my parents.
Okay, and what about your wines? Which are the best ones, or which is the best one for you, the one you love most?
The one that I prefer most is Pinot Bianco. I think it's a very elegant, very fresh wine, very easy to drink.
Okay, and what would you suggest to a friend who want to make a particular gift on your wines, of course?
It depends what he's looking for, but maybe I would choose the Friulano since it's a very representative wine of our region and also our winery in particular.